हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू हिंदी टू इंग्लिश कनेक्ट। आज हम सीखेंगे कुछ बहुत ही सिंपल डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस। आइए शुरू करते हैं। क्या तुम ठीक हो? आर यू ओके? आर यू ओके? क्या तुम उसे जानते हो? डू यू नो हिम? डू यू नो हिम? क्या तुम यह कर सकते हो? कैन यू डू दिस? Can you do this? क्या तुम सुन रहे हो? Are you listening? Are you listening? क्या तुम्हें यह चाहिए? Do you need this? Do you need this? क्या तुम आ रहे हो? Are you coming? Are you coming? क्या तुमने खाया? Did you eat? Did you eat? क्या तुमने उसे देखा? Did you see him? Did you see him? क्या तुमने बुलाया? Did you call? Did you call? क्या तुमने कोशिश की? Did you try? Did you try? क्या हुआ तुम्हें? What happened to you? What happened to you? क्या मैं मदद करूं? Shall I help you? Shall I help you? क्या मुझे आना चाहिए? Should I come? Should I come? क्या तुम समझे? Did you understand? Did you understand? कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? कहाँ मिले हम? Where should we meet? Where should we meet? कहाँ रखा तुमने? Where did you put it? Where did you put it? कहाँ हो तुम? Where are you? Where are you? कहाँ से आए? Where did you come from? Where did you come from? कब चलेंगे हम? When will we go? When will we go? कब आए तुम? When did you come? When did you come? कब शुरू होगा? When will it start? When will it start? कब मिलोगे? When will you meet? When will you meet? कब करेंगे काम? When will we work? When will we work? क्यों आए तुम? Why did you come? Why did you come? क्यों रो रहे हो? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? क्यों नहीं कहा? Why didn't you say? Why didn't you say? क्यों रुके तुम? Why did you stop? Why did you stop? क्यों चाहिए तुम्हें? Why do you want it? या फिर why do you need it? कौन है वहाँ? Who is there? Who is there? कौन आएगा कल? Who will come tomorrow? Who will come tomorrow? कौन बुला रहा है? Who is calling? Who is calling? कौन इंतज़ार कर रहा है? Who is waiting? Who is waiting? कौन जा रहा है? Who is going? Who is going? किसने बताया तुम्हें? Who told you? Who told you? किसको बुलाना है? Whom should I call? Whom should I call? किसका है यह? Whose is this? Whose is this? किस लिए चाहिए यह? For what do you need this? For what do you need this? कैसे करोगे यह? How will you do this? How will you do this? कैसे जानते हो? How do you know? How do you know? कैसे आए तुम? How did you come? How did you come? कैसे हो तुम? How are you? How are you? कैसे शुरू करें? How should we start? How should we start? क्या बन रहा है? What is being made? What is being made? क्या चल रहा है? What is going on? What is going on? क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? क्या कहना चाहते हो? What do you want to say? What do you want to say? क्या देख रहे हो? What are you watching? What are you watching? क्या मिलेगा यहाँ? What will I get here? What will I get here? क्या करना चाहिए? What should I do? What should I do? क्या लाना है? In English, what do I have to bring? What do I have to bring? क्या पूछना है? What do you want to ask? What do you want to ask? क्या चाहिए तुम्हें? What do you want? What do you want? क्या तुम डर गए? Are you scared? Are you scared? क्या तुम खुश हो? In English, are you happy? Are you happy? क्या तुम फ्री हो? Are you free? Are you free? क्या तुम आ पाओगे? Will you be able to come? Will you be able to come? क्या तुम रह सकते हो? Can you stay? Can you stay? क्या तुम बताओगे? Will you tell me? Will you tell me? क्या तुम चलोगे? Will you come along? Will you come along? क्या तुम रुकोगे? Will you wait? Will you wait? क्या तुम लिख रहे हो? Are you writing? Are you writing? क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? क्या तुम कोशिश करोगे? Will you try? Will you try? क्या तुम देखोगे? Will you watch? Will you watch? क्या तुम सीख रहे हो? Are you learning? Are you learning? क्या तुम खेलोगे? Will you play? Will you play? क्या तुम पूछोगे? Will you ask? Will you ask? क्या तुम बता सकते हो? Can you tell? Can you tell? क्या तुम पकड़ पाओगे? Can you catch it? Can you catch it? क्या तुम समझोगे? Will you understand? Will you understand? क्या तुम साथ चलोगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? क्या तुम भूल गए? Did you forget? Did you forget? आज के लिए बस इतना ही। उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा। चैनल पे नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।